Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin from your Venmo account to an external wallet, so you can hold your own keys or move funds to another exchange. Make sure you've completed Venmo's identity verification first, otherwise crypto transfers may be blocked. And have your external wallet address ready. Open the Venmo app and go to the Crypto tab. Tap Bitcoin. Then press the transfer arrows in the bottom right corner and choose Send. When the app asks for the recipient, paste the external wallet address or scan the wallet's QR code. Double check that the address is for Bitcoin and that the address string matches. Exactly. Crypto sent to the wrong address is irreversible. If Venmo lets you choose a blockchain network, pick the network that your external wallet supports. If you're transferring BTC, use the Bitcoin network, not an ERC-20 or other token network. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Venmo will show any network fee and an estimated time to complete the transfer. Pay attention to that fee because external transfers usually incur network minor fees. Always consider sending a small test amount first to confirm the address works. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm the transfer. You'll likely need to authorize the send with your Venmo PIN, fingerprint, or an OTP. After you hit send, Venmo will process the transaction and provide a confirmation. You can use the transaction ID hash from the confirmation to track the transfer on a blockchain explorer. Depending on network congestion, the transfer can take anywhere from minutes to hours to fully confirm. Remember that crypto transfers cannot be canceled once submitted. So triple check everything before confirming. If you plan to move all your funds, factor in the network fee and consider leaving a small amount in Venmo if you still want to trade there. If anything goes wrong or the transfer is delayed unusually long, check the transaction status using the hash and then contact Venmo support if necessary. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto and finance walkthroughs. And drop a comment if you want a video showing how to move crypto from Venmo to a hardware wallet. Thanks for watching and see you next time.